Method 1. Retrieve deleted TikTok videos with download link. Alternatively, you can retrieve deleted TikTok videos via using download links that TikTok has sent to you on your official email address. If you register your TikTok account on the email, you'll automatically receive a text file with all download links of your TikTok videos. You can simply use these links to get back your desired TikTok videos. The easy-to-follow steps are as below. Install an extension on your Google Chrome, such as TabSave. This extension will enable you to directly download videos from their download links. Recover with TikTok download. Go to your email account used on TikTok. Look for the email received from TikTok. The subject of this email should be Video Export TikTok. Recover with TikTok download. Open the text file attached to this email. You'll see a bunch of download links. Recover with TikTok download. Select out the download links of your deleted TikTok videos. Launch the TabSave extension and paste these download links in the text area. You can paste multiple links at once. Recover with TikTok download. Click the download icon and your deleted TikTok videos will start to be downloaded to your computer. Method 2. How to recover deleted TikTok videos on iPhone? Connect your iPhone with a computer. Download, install, and open Alt Data on the computer. Free download macOS 10.11 or later. Free download Windows 11/10/8/7. Click Recover Data from iOS devices.trisdem. iPhone Data Recovery 01. Choose the types of data you want to recover and click Scan. Here you should tick the box of App Videos in Photo Video. .system iPhone Data Recovery 02. When scanning is done, locate and find the deleted TikTok videos you need. Finally, click Recover to Mac/PC to save them on your computer.